Hi everybody, and welcome to day 5 of your 7-day reset. I hope it has been good so far, and I'd love to hear any of your feedback about things that you liked or things that you found helpful or things that you'd want to see more of, that kind of stuff. And then I can keep kind of adding and creating more of these. So day 4 was turning a negative thought into a positive one. And that is something that is really great to keep practicing and practicing and practicing, because the more that we do that and reinforce that, the more that it will become a habit, and we'll start to create new brain pathways that start to think more positively about ourselves. And that's kind of how we start to change confidence and self-esteem and all of that stuff through kind of rewiring our brains that way. So it's something to keep practicing and keep working on. I also have worksheets for a lot of this stuff, so if that's something that you want or you're interested in, please just email me. I'll attach put my email below, so you can email me and I'm happy to send you worksheets to help you through this and to support you through this. And so when you do it again, or work on this again, you can have those there for you easily. Sorry, it's a bit windy today. So just like day 4 kind of has worksheets and is something you need to continue doing and keep working on, and you'll keep getting more and more benefit the more you do it, that's the same with day 5. So day 5 is affirmations, and I love affirmations. So if you watched any of my other videos, I've probably mentioned affirmations a few times, and it's a big part of my course on becoming more happy and motivated, because affirmations are such a powerful way to do that, and really a fairly easy way. I mean, it takes some work to create them if you're creating them, or to reinforce them if you're continuing to kind of reinforce them to yourself, but compared to the benefit they give, they're no work at all, essentially. So that's why I really like them. And again, just like the challenging your negative thoughts, it's a way to rewire the brain. So that's a big deal, is figuring out how to rewire your brain in a more positive way and in a way that benefits you better. So creating affirmations, and the reason why I chose this for day 5 is you've kind of already started to create some in saying positive things about yourself and in turning your negative self-talk into a more positive one. So we can essentially take that, the thought that you changed, into something more positive and use that as an affirmation. So affirmations are things like, I am enough, I am worthy, I love myself, I have value, right? Those kind of things are affirmations. And it's really helpful to pick sort of our negative points, or the points that sort of are difficult for us, and reinforce those. So that's why it's really a kind of an easy way to do it, is to take some of your negative self-talk. So if your negative self-talk was surrounding something that you feel about yourself or something that you think about yourself, we can create an affirmation around that. So if it's something to do with your body, it can be something like, I love my body, I'm thankful for my body, I appreciate the power that I hold within myself. Things like that. That can be something to counter and build up maybe feeling bad about your body. There's a lot of helpful ones kind of around your belief in yourself. So I believe that I have everything that I need to be truly successful. I believe that all of my goals are coming true, and I am working towards that in a positive way. So those are all super powerful, and you can just steal any of these that stand out to you and use those. That's totally fine. And then kind of create your own as you want to and as you feel like that's helpful. So affirmations are something that I try to do every day. I'm not perfect at this by any means, but it's something that I try to do every day, and sort of reinforce that to myself. And I work with clients a lot on it, and that's really helpful for me to remember too, because I can help challenge them to kind of reaffirm to themselves the things that they need. And this is also really helpful because if we have a rough day, or we're struggling, or that negativity or that doubt is coming up, we can reinforce that for ourselves. So we can take the power back and reinforce that we're okay, we're strong, we're capable, and we can do that for ourselves. We don't need anyone else to do that for us. We can find strength within ourselves. And it's really helpful to write these out when you're feeling good and then read them when you're not feeling so good as well, because you're kind of reminding yourself of the strength that you have. So pick a few of these that stood out to you, or create your own based on kind of some of your negative self-talk that you flipped. If you need more help with this, I have a worksheet that kind of walks you through this more in depth and more intensely, so email me if you'd like that as well. If you have any questions or comments, email me or leave a comment, and we'll keep working and reaffirming that you are worth it, you can do this, you are powerful, and you got this. You will be happy, you will be healthy, and you will be successful.